Hello from Würzburg. It's been ages since I last recorded a vlog and also went out taking photos. I think it's now 70 days since I last pressed the shutter. So yeah, I'm glad to be out here. Würzburg is just an hour's drive from where I live, so it's kind of shooting local today, and early in the morning there are not many people at this bridge here, which is normally crowded. I remember it crowded at least, so in the afternoon, evening there are many people, and now in the morning it's quite easy to practice social distancing, I think, and I'm gonna take some photos now of this setting, standing here right in the middle, so having this nice symmetry leading to those spires, this church. It looks a bit like Prague in miniature, but yeah, I think it's gonna be a nice subject to photograph now. With the light, not so sure. A few clouds which are getting like a reddish glow, but they're just there in the distance, so not in the frame. Maybe they move, maybe not. I don't care much, I'm just glad to be out taking photos, and hopefully I have something to show you soon. Okay, and since there's not so much happening yet in the sky, I think I can also explain what I'm doing. So it's a typical workflow when I get to a location, especially for cityscapes. I don't try to get many photos, I just take my time first to scout along the area, find the best spot, or at least what I think is the best spot. Then I set up there and I try to get this one photo. And when I shoot during blue hour into sunrise, it's good to start early so the lights in the city are still on. I think I also explained this when I was in Budapest. So I take some photos now with the lights on, still with a blue sky. Then I hope that the sky will begin to glow a bit, and I keep everything in place and just take more photos. And later I can do, if I want, so some kind of time blending. So basically having a sunrise photo with the lights on, which might look kind of surreal. So most of the time it doesn't look too good and I don't do it, but it's always good to have all the frames to be able to do it if I want to. Yeah, and now, as I said, I did the focus stack, I did the bracketing of exposure, so I gathered all the information I need. Now I just wait and hope that those clouds, which begin to lift, as I said, so they're coming in a bit, begin to glow even more, maybe move across the city, and then this could even be a nice sunrise. And afterwards I think I'm gonna move a little forward. So once I got this shot bottled, I usually change position. So I will move along the bridge and look for some other positions where I can take a photo. If it was possible with the timing, I would even try the long lens now, but I think if I do this now, zooming in there, this will compromise the chance I have to get this wider shot, which I try to do a 16:9 panoramic shot. But enough waffling now. I just enjoy this morning now, and yeah, as I said, maybe I have a photo for you. So there was some nice glow in the sky, and I think I got the shot. It's not the best shot I've ever taken, but I think it's a solid photo of this scene. Now I've taken out the long lens and I wait a bit longer for the sun to rise and see if I can get some shots of the same scene but zoomed in, and later we can compare which one looks better. Currently I think this scene with the long lens looks even better because everything's moved closer together, so the perspective is more compact. You have all the towers filling the frame, and yeah, this looks very nice. And maybe I have to get back here some other time and shoot this scene, this pre-sunrise scene, also with a long lens. But for now, yeah, I'm just sticking around and trying to get the shot with the sun in the frame, which maybe takes 20 more minutes. With there's a bit of haze, so it takes some time till the sun's high enough and can light up the city. Yeah, and afterwards we're going to do some scouting and then show you the photos. Okay, before I close this vlog, I thought I'd show you one final view here of Würzburg. And so I've come up a bit into the direction of the castle, and this viewpoint is maybe one of the most beautiful viewpoints where you're looking down to the city, and it's perfect for using a long lens, as I did down at the bridge. Now here I can zoom in even more. which is perfect because now there are no more clouds. So if you don't have a spectacular sky, if you just have this hazy morning light, what you can always do is zoom in and try to find some features. And here I have enough of them. So all the towers there lined up. This looks beautiful if I zoom in with the sun behind it. So it's lighting up some of the roofs in front of the towers, so providing some interest. And yeah, I'm doing bracketing to capture the whole dynamic range, and then I'm gonna bring this over into Photoshop and see what I can do with it. And yeah, I show you the photos now, and then see you hopefully in another vlog soon. Hope to find something to photograph. So traveling the next month will not be possible, I guess. So maybe I can get a trip into the Alps soon, do some hiking again. And yeah, see you there. Bye.